everyone, welcome back. This is day 26 and 27 together. I did get a little bit behind because I went away for the weekend, so I'm still shoveling some together to try and catch up. So day 26 is translucent and day 27 is lyrics. So I've made this little translucent, it's a tracing paper folder which has got a little pocket in there, and it's tied together by string. And I made this last year during Rachel from Roxy Creations by Rachel, during her weekly challenge. Oh, that fits in just so well. I wasn't sure what was going in there. That's in there. Now the other thing I was having a play with was I've got a print exhibition coming up in March, and I've been going through all my old prints, and I thought I'd see how this translucent paper looked if I printed out the print on the background, and then I put some lyrics on. Now for those of you who are in my era, maybe just a tad younger, tell me you don't read those lyrics and start singing it in your head. I can't read them without immediately the song being in my head. Anyway, I thought that was a good lyric. It wasn't overly sentimental. It was just something interesting. And I was thinking originally that this could be a little pocket of some sort. And I printed it out. It's ended up being, you know, not the way I would want it to be if it was a tag or a pocket. So I'm not sure about that. I also printed it out and I accidentally got the lyrics on the back. So I'm thinking that this is more true to my little print. The exhibition's about viruses, so a lot of the prints have, you know, close-ups of viruses in the blood and stuff like that. So that's what I'll be working on throughout February. I am running out of a bit of room. Now I stuck these stickers on. They didn't necessarily make any sense or mean anything, so I'm not too fussed about that. I've definitely got the translucent done with the little pocket that I've done. I think this will work as it is like this. Lyrics. I don't mind that at all. This parchment, it's really, I'm really enjoying it. It's thick. It's like, you know, it's not a photocopy paper type of thinness. So I'm really liking it. And it was just fun for me to have a little explore and see maybe what it evoked in me, what it inspired, because I'll be having to make some extra works for this. It's a very tiny little show, but it's a show nevertheless, so I'm excited about it. I'm excited I got accepted. And I'm looking forward to going and putting it all up, and I will take photos and show everyone. So I am loving this. I'm just going to glue these down. Get this stuck up under here. And the lyrics. The edges are slightly curly. Oh, actually, I've got to put this one down first. Definitely curling up. Where it's curling up, I am going to add a little bit of washi. I like the idea of continuing motives through a book. So even though my book is almost full and I still have some prompts to go, I would like to add just some of the little things. So from yesterday's prompt, some of the background paper on here. Definitely this parchment is not great for gluing for this sort of stuff. It's like it's got a little bit of a waxy surface, and I thought it would be fun to just have a little preempt of one of these little houses, or two even. Let's see, I was thinking of this one, but maybe it's two. I love this little sewn squiggly line there, or those. It doesn't matter. I'm going to be sticking the others throughout the book anyway. Now I don't really want to cover up that bit of my print. There we go, just going to stick those down. Just want to add in a couple of collage elements to tie in the rest of the book. I'm going to go through at the very end and do that anyway to make it a more cohesive journal. I'm not so fussed that it has to be chronologically day by day. All my prompts are all out of order, and just wherever I feel there's a page that I think I'd like to work on. So who's still singing that song in their head? I am. George Michael. Gotta have faith. So as well as my little pocket, this is my translucent, my parchment, and my lyrics. And I hope you enjoyed that. That's day 26 and day 27. All right, thank you very much. Bye for now.